CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Uba AL Hack ubarami khmat kumu MLA ya pentor kra constituency la san samoy kenti menta ka kenti ulaya tho bondang yai peteng banyak khun bet na ka tiket jong ka BJP wala kalawan ka jing terwane ki sengsan perthai ki bapher ha ka jing ya kren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Alexander L Hack ulaong ba don jing thmu AA ruem ban lek penyeso shaka All India Trinamool Congress wat la ka khubor hamsaya kalapur shane shatai.
I've been working throughout. I'm not a MLA who's working only during the election, number one. Throughout the year, wherever I'm available in stations, I meet the people, I work for the people, I listen to the people of my constituency. That is my way of functioning from the last 25 years. We cannot underestimate any contenders who are going to contest the election, whether in my constituency or the other constituency. Okay, maybe other constituency, I'm not so, but I'm concerned of my constituency. All the contenders, whether it is independent, it is from the national party or it is a regional party, they are all the strong contenders. We have to fight against all the candidates, all the contenders contesting in our elections, in my election. See, it will affect anything. Because the election is always election. The people understand whom to vote during the elections. Nagano ko party mo niya kun. Dala declare ya ka tiket sing sala ban matay ni kun nagano ko party. Ngaro ka matang ngatay ng taga BJP, nga ngo nga kun naga BJP. Dan gibawan na week gi ang mangir niya kun naga BJP. Mentang candidate hapo mo kar gibon ay BJP candidate. Yun ay tiket. Datang ngepat declare yellow na tiket ngene malahi ni bandong modo banyale nagnoka party ya kan bayi kami yang tengi gi bayi yang masam itu kin penbet ke yang sen ga penbet ya kata gakam nim ko ba kin ban gi ke party political party ne ki brio ki manabar kinwan ai ki bapi don gi bron gi jingsgo ki wan man ai jing mut yang gi bapi don gi jingsgo yang ba beli baga pimia penbet ni ong ni hayang asap itu kenya pembet dan jaga ay kata menyebut baik hayang asap. Many political parties have approached me, but I am BJP. I'll remain in BJP. I will contest from the BJP. BJP jungi la Ïakhun ba ni ong begendum don show but kadang ke government. Tahu baga decision kamla belong na ke state BJP. Number 4 bagi form ya kadang ke MDA government lawan the central leader jong BJP. Form ya kene government apa megalaya ke jongi te mangirung aga jing start jo ke central leaders national leaders jo ke BJP mansim ya ke jing so ke jongi kum naga state BJP ini naga state party nga president ong ing ben pha ya kata ka thi naga benda ba dengan ai ka advice banum don show ba kene government dia kata ka show ka party level bah state president hi long ba la ban ai ka Jing siya, hello,